Ooh. Were there animals on the train?
No.
No? Was there a cow? Was there a cow?
People.
Oh, there were people on the train. Oh. So there
Okay.
no horse. There wasn't a horse on the train.
No.
No. Okay. People. Okay. People. I get it. No animals. People. Okay. Okay. Well, that was a nice train.
And then did we take the subway? I take the subway and top and the back way in those shops. But it's a house. And then did we take the J rail? Yeah. And also no animals on the train. Yeah. Okay.
No animals. Okay. Just people.